Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basic controls because most low-volume complaints are settings, not hardware. Check your device and app volume and raise them to 80 to 100%. Make sure any equalizer isn't limiting output. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth and test a wired input or local file to isolate connectivity issues. Visually inspect the grill and ports. Dust, lint, and loose debris can muffle sound, so remove them gently with a soft brush or compressed air. Next, dig into the signal chain and software because digital limits often cause low output. Update the speaker firmware and your source device's audio drivers, then reboot to apply changes. Swap cables and ports and try another source device to rule out a bad cable or output jack. Inspect DSP, equalizer, and any volume limiters. Disable loudness protection or night mode and reset EQ to flat so the speaker can reproduce full range levels without artificial. Finally, confirm whether the issue is mechanical or electronic by testing with a known good speaker on the same source. If that unit is loud, the problem is internal. If you're comfortable, open the enclosure carefully. Check speaker driver wires, solder joints, and connectors for corrosion or loose contacts, because a failing amplifier or torn voice coil reduces volume. If you find damage or the amplifier is quiet despite a good signal, replace the amp board or seek professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: swap components incrementally to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.